Buenos dias, my dear friends. Yesterday, this lady was on a date. Don't miss my vlog about that. Today I'm still at OK Hostel in Madrid and I'm leaving to another Spanish town in just like 1 or 2 hours. I'll show you the breakfast here at OK Hostel, which I find is one of the best hostels I've stayed in actually in the world, because it's super fresh, tidy, and the staff is amazing. Yesterday's date was so intense. I promise you a story time on the train about my date, okay? Just bought some fruit from this lovely little lady at the square up here. It cost me €2 and I have a lot of fruit now. I'm at the metro Tirso de Molina because I'm going to Atocha to get the train to next Spanish town. My train to my town where I'm going will take me 6 hours. So I had to run and I didn't have time to buy a sandwich. The train leaves in 2 minutes. I only have fruits now. I hope there are sandwiches on the train. Make sure if you go by train in Madrid or wherever you are in the world, have a lot of time because the train stations are always bigger than you think. I made it, I'm so happy. The train from Madrid was late. I had to stop here in Aranjuez because it was late. I missed the train to Valencia from Aranjuez, so next train, el otra, leaves in 3 hours. Tengo una nueva amiga.
Hello.
Hola. Ahora we are at the train platform to eat and I could work some from my laptop. Y Javier. Hola. So we have to stay here for another 3 hours, then take the train for 5 hours. I'm so exhausted. Viva en España! Bon provecho! The view from the window is so beautiful because there's some warm red color and it's amazing. Anyway guys, I thought I would give you a little short story time update from last night's date in Madrid. I met up with this Tony that I've been riding with the whole day yesterday. It wasn't really my type on the pictures, but I thought, no, why even consider not going, because you know, it's fun, you meet a lot of new people and I get to talk Spanish and practice. We met at Sol, the big Plaza, and went to this rooftop bar. What the fuck? Went to this rooftop bar that he likes. It was a really nice place. We had some Tinto de Verano there, actually 2 Tinto de Verano. Then I felt so hungry, so I'm like, vamos a comer. We need to eat. So we went to the gay area, which is really awesome. And I wish I had more time in Madrid because there are so many areas still to discover more. Anyway, we had tapas there on one of the tapas bars. He was a very interesting person. He's been traveling through Africa for 15 months and then he lived in Gambia for a year. He's been living in Amsterdam for 4 years. I've been living in Amsterdam too. And we had a lot of things in common. He likes to be active and be outdoors, and a really nice person, very sympathetic, very nice smile. Then after having tapas, we went to a bar to have some beer. And every time you order a beer here in Spain, or at least in Madrid, you get some olives too. So we were having olives and beers. And we were standing at this bar, and I didn't really feel sexually attracted to him actually. But then suddenly he started to kiss me. I'm like, what are you doing? So yeah, I just went with it. And he's like, yeah, I live here. Come with me. Let's make love. Yes, it's not a joke. He asked me, let's go and make love. What? what century do we live in? But it was kind of cute. But I told him that I had to go up early to work and then go to my train. We stood there on the street kissing in public. He wrote me, Buenas noches, Sirenita, good night, mermaid. Because I'm going to the ocean today and he knows how much that means to me. So yeah, I guess we'll stay in touch, but I'm not gonna go back to Madrid and he's not gonna come to Stockholm, so you know what, I'm just gonna go back to my seat now. But that was a short love story. Also I'm riding with 5 other guys, but they're too slow. I already met up with Tony. I made it to the city. Maybe you can guess already by having seen the platform where I am. But if you can't guess where I am, because I'm not going to tell you, the metro's apparently closed at 10 here, so I missed that one because it's already 11:30 and I'm so tired. This has been the longest train trip in my life. And oh, now Tina Turner.
Hey.
Reggaeton? No, it's reggaeton. I will end the video in this taxi because tomorrow is a new day, new vlog day at a new place. I really look forward to see the hotel where I'm staying because it looks so beautiful. Eso es no reggaeton, es Avicii. I love life and I love you guys. I love myself. Yes, I do love myself. And take care. Buenas noches.
I really think I'm in love.